Understanding, on a merry-go-round, a journey through English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and our spotlight is on a merry-go-round. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it signifies but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of this intriguing expression. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, on a merry-go-round, to its literal roots. A merry-go-round is a carousel, a ride often found in amusement parks, consisting of a rotating circular platform with seats for riders. These seats can take various forms, such as wooden horses or carriages, that move up and down to simulate galloping. This ride is associated with joy, youth, and the carefree days of childhood. Moving beyond the literal, on a merry-go-round, is widely used metaphorically. In a figurative sense, it describes a situation where someone is caught in a continuous loop of activities or experiences, without making any progress or achieving anything significant. It can reflect feelings of being stuck in a cycle that's hard to break free from, similar to how one might go round and round on a carousel without going anywhere. To help you grasp this concept better, let's look at some examples. I feel like I'm on a merry-go-round with my job search, sending out resumes but getting nowhere. Their argument went on a merry-go-round, with both sides repeating the same points over and over. Managing this project is like being on a merry-go-round. As soon as one issue is resolved, another appears. These examples showcase how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, emphasizing the cycle of repetitive actions or situations. Understanding when and how to use on a merry-go-round can greatly enrich your English communication. Use this phrase to express feelings of frustration or to describe situations where there's a lack of progress due to repetitive patterns. It's particularly effective in informal conversations or in writing where you want to convey a vivid image of stagnation or cyclical motion. And that wraps up our exploration of on a merry-go-round. We've seen how this phrase transitions from a literal fun ride to a metaphor for repetitive, unproductive cycles. Incorporating such phrases into your English can make your communication more colorful and expressive. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in using this phrase. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language. Goodbye, and happy learning!